Hi, I'm Zumbish. I work as a reporter with Down to Earth, and today we are going to talk about the Leipzig Transport Summit. Transport ministers from 64 member countries of the International Transport Forum have gathered for a summit at Leipzig, Germany from 24 to 26 May. At the event themed Transport Enabling Sustainable Economies, ministers will discuss themes ranging from climate change to Ukraine and supply chain resilience to active mobility. Over 1,300 delegates from around 80 countries are likely to participate. The UK holds the presidency. The summit is administratively integrated with the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, yet politically autonomous. Acting now and decarbonising transportation can reduce the need for investment in core infrastructure like roads, railways, and more ports. Also, help in achieving the goals of the 2015 Paris Agreement. A mix of policies is needed to promote sustainable choices in different contexts. In a transport decarbonisation context, this means investing in public transport infrastructure and to invest in policies that support the move to transport modes with higher occupancy of the load factors and more compact cities. This approach could potentially save governments from spending $4 trillion globally on road maintenance and investment. Accelerated action in the transport sector can reduce its CO2 emissions by about 80% over the next 25 years, compared to 2019. This would put transport on the right path for limiting the global temperature increase to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. This is something which is the goal of the Paris Climate Agreement. Reaching that high ambition scenario will require a combination of complementary policies that successfully avoid unnecessary transport activity, like shifting more trips from fuel burning to no carbon transport. Comparing investment needs under current ambition scenario with high ambition scenario reveals a strong push for decarbonizing transport is in fact not more expensive. The total capital investment needs of core infrastructure for road, rail, airports and ports are 5% lower with ambitious policies in place. This against carrying on with business as usual. To know more about the latest news on science, technology and climate change, head to Down to Earth channel linked in the description below.